Hello and welcome to another video. Today I want to design hooks via Tinkercad for the roofing of my terrace. The roofing looks on the outside like this. It's pieces of wood screwed on a vertical piece of wood, and there's always a little gap in between, and I want to fit a hook here in between that you just turn and can hang in, so they are freely movable and also adjustable in the height where you hang them, because I don't know exactly which things are going to hang there. I don't want to nail or screw plenty of hooks into the new roofing, so I want to be very flexible. And now I show you the process how I do that. So here's the finished hook. All we got to do now is make an other version of it. Like, this is on the part you don't see, and this is the outside where something hangs, but for the Christmas lights I need it in the opposite direction. Like, this is the part you see, and the hook is hanging inside, so I have to flip around this part. So I just turn this piece around for 180 degrees, move this here down to the length I need, and making here this longer for one piece, and then like just cut off here the part. But I think you get the idea. I don't want to be too much in detail with this, but like here is a quick and dirty adaptation of the hook for the other use case, or for the bed of my son. I will just flatten this and adjust the space here, and the hook for this master bed is done. Now I show you how the hooks are mounted. I just slide them in between, and then the hook comes down here. So here I have my iterations, and you don't have to always overwrite your model. You just can click here and go to duplicate and make a new version for editing. So here we have the finished hooks. This one outside the door where the sign and the wreath is hanging, just a longer version of this hook. Here a much thinner one and shaped in the opposite direction because of this being on the outside and this hanging down for the Christmas lights. And this one is the adaptation for the IKEA's master bed for hanging up the lights for my son. So you see, it's pretty easy design, it's very easy adjustable, and it really pays off to do some designing and adapting of an easy idea. Thanks for watching and happy making!